Hey, what's up guys, Steven here. Welcome back to another Huawei Mate 30 Pro Google installation video. So you probably have already checked out a lot of guides on YouTube on how to get the Google Play services on your Huawei Mate 30 or Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Well, most of the guides are outdated, but since 1 week there's a working workaround. It's also the one I'm showing you today, and it's 100% working. But I want to tell you also why it's probably not a good idea to install this workaround. Well, most of the YouTubers upload this because, you get a lot of views on this topic. But they forget one thing, and this is device security. Now, this workaround is really not 100% safe. You're doing things to your smartphone which you don't want to be done to your smartphone. If you want to have more explanation, watch until the end of this video or check out the video above here. Now, anyway, I'm a YouTuber. I really rely on the Google Play services because, I do my work on YouTube. This is why I'm using the P30 Pro as my daily driver and also the Huawei Mate 30 Pro for testing. I really like this device, but the lack of Google makes it really hard to me to use it as my daily driver because I really need the YouTube, Analytics, Google Suite and all the applications which I cannot use on the Mate 30. But also I learned during using the Mate 30 that we are really dependent from Google, and actually you can use plenty of other third-party apps which are working fine for navigation, email clients. So seriously guys, only do this workaround if you rely on the Google services, not if you want to have tons of applications, because there are alternative app stores, Aptoy, Getchar or something, where you can download all the applications. So if you need the Google services for some really good reason, then do it, but I wouldn't recommend it because it really puts a device into a security risk. And also at the end of this video I will show you what is done to your phone and actually how to get it halfway safe back again. Alright guys, so now let's get started and let's check out how it works. So guys, there we go. Here's my Mate 30 Pro and let's turn it on, and let me tell you something about security. So as you will see during the boot, this device has been unlocked and can't be trusted because this device has an unlocked bootloader. Well, this means that it won't pass the safety net check, which is really important. Some apps like Google Pay, banking apps, they check if your device passes safety net, and if it won't pass the safety net, they won't run. So when you use this workaround, then you will also lose safety net, and that means some apps won't work in the future. On the device itself, you don't have to do anything right now, but you need to have a USB cable to connect it to the computer. Or if you want to do the method I'm using today, you need a USB drive. You can use any regular USB drive, but then you need an adapter from Type-C to USB-A. I'm using the adapter which came from my MateBook, but you can use any USB-A, USB-C adapter and connect the thumb drive to your smartphone and do everything on the smartphone. Or you just connect it to your computer using a USB cable and do everything, copy everything to the internal storage. That's also a solution. So as I've told you, I don't want to actually lose safety net. That's why I wouldn't do this on a regular Mate 30, because I'm using Boon by Wirecard, which is a prepaid MasterCard of Google Pay all the time. And if I would use this workaround, safety net won't work anymore. As you can see, the safety net check tester doesn't even work anymore. So this is because this device is unlocked, and also this workaround will kill it. But now let's go to the computer and let's check it out how it works. Now guys, on your computer you have to download the GMS zip file. You can find a link to the download down below in the description. Now once you have downloaded the file, you have to extract it. Now you can use any tool you want. I'm using WinRAR, but yeah, you can use whatever you want. Now just right click it and go to extract here. And this will give you two folders. One is called Google and one is another zip file which is called Huawei. So now you copy both of them and just copy them to your USB drive, which you can find right over here. So just into the root, paste it in, and then make sure your USB drive is empty and you just have the Huawei zip file and the Google folder on there. You can also copy it to the internal storage of your smartphone. That's also possible. Then also just copy it to the root folder. So guys, now back to the smartphone. So we have here the USB drive containing all the files we need, and here the USB-C, USB-A adapter. It's a big one, but that should be no problem. So just connect the USB drive to your adapter, the cable right into your Huawei Mate 30, and then scroll down from the top. You will get preparing USB storage and then your USB drive right over here. Tap at it. This will redirect you to the root directory of the USB drive. In there you should find a Google folder containing the 6 APK files. And if you go out, you have to go back to the file manager, USB drive. And here at the bottom, you can see the Huawei zip file, which we also need because this contains the backup which we're going to restore. First of all, we need to copy the Google folder to the internal storage. So just tap at it, hold it, go to copy. Here at the bottom, other locations. And then you choose internal storage right over here. And then you hit the paste button. So now the Google folder is into the root directory of your internal storage, so of your smartphone. Now you go back to your USB drive, just with the arrow, and go all the way down to Huawei zip. So this contains a backup, but it's zipped. So you need to tap at it, hold it, go to more, here at the bottom, and go to extract to, current directory. This extracts the backup to your USB drive. Go to OK. I have to override it because I've already done it. And yeah, as you can see, extracted Toshiba USB drive. Now you can go to the settings. So just scroll down from the top, go to the settings, go all the way down to system and updates, backup and restore. Here go to data backup and here external storage. Then you choose your USB storage and here you will automatically see restore from backup 17th of October. Now if you tap at that, as you can see, it basically selects apps and data. Make sure this is ticked and then it will copy 2 items onto your smartphone. So just hit the restore button. Here you have to enter the password. The password is actually shown here as the password tip, A0000000, OK button. There we go. As you can see, restore complete. Once you go back to your home screen, you will now actually see 2 new applications. So this is the GMS installer from all the previous workarounds and here another one. So what you have to do right now is launch the purple GMS installer. This will basically ask you for a few permissions and this is something which is concerning for security. Activate device administrator. As you can see, it sets this device administrator with the Chinese signs to do all these things to your smartphone. We have to deactivate that later. That's really important. So go to activate, go to allow, and now you're on this screen. Here you press the blue button and now you wait until the first app, just as you can see, gets this red sign. And then you have to reboot your phone. So just hold the power button and go to restart and wait until your phone restarted. So guys, as you can see right now on your phone, there is still no Google services installed because they're still in the APK folder, but there is another application and it's here, this Huawei Google installer. So just open it up, hit the go button, and now as you can see, it's installing the APKs for you. So always allow, install. So this has installed the Google Services Framework. Go to done. Now it's installing the Google Play Store. This also takes a little bit of time. So that are the Google Play services which you're about to install. Just hit the install button. As you can see, it is installing. There you go. Installation complete, Google Play services. Go to done. And now it's installing the last application, the Google Play Store. So there you go. Hit the install button. And now you can hit the open button. And there we go. And as you can see, sign in with your Google account. This is what I will do right now. So ladies and gentlemen, once you are signed in, you have to close the application, open it up again. And as you can see, we have the Google Play Store on the phone. And let's try to download an application so I can show you that this is not fake, this is working. As you can see, I'm currently updating Instagram. Then yeah, Call of Duty Mobile, some bullshit. There we go, as you can see, waiting for the download. And also if we go to the home screen right now, you will see it pop up in a minute. So yeah, YouTube, as you can see, it's still broken. You have to re-download it from the Google Play Store if you had another workaround. But now you have the Play Store on there. You have Google Maps on there, which is also not working. If you have an old application installed, then you just have to go to the Play Store again. Search, for instance, here for YouTube. And there we go. So this is really important for me as YouTuber. And here, as you can see in the background, it's already downloading the additional files for Call of Duty Mobile. It has already updated Instagram, so it's also updating your applications. There are really no issues for that. You just go here to update all, and as you can see, download pending, so it is working fine. So what you should really do right now that's really important is go to the settings, go all the way down to apps, and make sure you go to here, apps, search for the workarounds you have just installed and uninstall them because they're not needed anymore. Just go here to uninstall the application, there you go. And then there's also the Google installer. It should be somewhere here at the bottom. Uninstall that one too. And as you can see, the device administrator is currently active and can do all these things to your phone. So make sure you deactivate and uninstall. And you also need to go back to security. Then here, you need to uninstall it. You go to more settings, and under more settings you find device administrators. Check that the device administrator has been removed here. But well, as you can see, the Play Store is working fine. It has downloaded all the applications, has downloaded Instagram, and there we go. So as you can see, Instagram working fine. You can now download all the applications here and your device is now halfway safe. It still won't pass the safety net check, so let's see if it is working. As you can see, it says now here safety net failed. So that's a big downside when you use this workaround. And yeah, this one has an unlocked bootloader, but you should also get the failed message on any regular Huawei Mate 30. Alrighty guys, so we're now here at the end of this video, and well, the Google Play services are working. I can use all the applications. It's actually really nice. But you have seen that you actually get a new device administrator, which you should deactivate as soon as possible, clean all the traces, and you don't even know if the software is doing anything else to your phone. So I would be really careful when using that and think twice if you really want to follow these tutorials on the internet. I mean, yes, it is working. I even updated the phone software. It does nothing to your apps. They will stay there, so you don't need to be worried that they disappear. But I've heard also from other people that it's a little bit unsafe. They had issues with some of the applications, and just be careful when following any instructions on the internet. And I've also used the P30 Pro and the Mate 30 Pro at the same time, and I was actually surprised how many different apps there are on Aptoide or something, which are doing actually the same thing. But as convenience, you go to the Google Play Store, you open Google Maps, because, well, it's just like, let's say 30% faster, more convenient to get the applications. But also there are other ways to do it, and it will keep your device safe. So once again, guys, I really hope that you liked this video. Also, if you want to do me a favor, please like this video, post a comment down below, share it around to actually spread the information, which is usually not on YouTube. And also there is a voting because I'm nominated for the Austrian Video Award. And if you want to support me, guys, check out the link down below in the description and vote for me. That would mean really a lot to me because, you know, Austria is really small. It's a really up country, and it would be really nice to rock this award, guys. And yeah, if you voted for me, also follow me on Instagram because I will send you some cool stories from the event. So guys, big thanks for watching this. I was really busy right now with my taxes, but more videos to come, and stay tuned for more. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.